Hello, my wonderful audience. Hello, this is me, Mueen TechnologyWala. Again, I am here in front of you that I am giving review on a special video that is by special person for me that is Rehan Allahwala. The video topic is how to earn 1 lakh rupee a month with or by using ChatGPT. Sir Rehan Allahwala, Uh, this video is leveraging ChatGPT for earning 1 lakh per month is an insightful and motivational guide, especially for beginners. The video emphasizes how AI can game changer for financial growth, skill development, and personal empowerment. This video is all about in the ChatGPT and how can we earn and how it help us in different fields. So first, he tell about the introduction of the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is an AI-powered model chatbot that can communicate in multiple languages, including Urdu, Sindhi, Pashto, and Punjabi or etc. ChatGPT provide the instant response, get never tired, always encourage users, and also ChatGPT is act like a personal mentor. ChatGPT can help people to overcome financial struggles struggles by providing knowledge and guidance. ChatGPT acts like a teacher, acts like a doctor, it acts like an electrician, software engineer, uh, and more. By utilizing the vast knowledge from the internet. They, uh, After that, he tells or told about the how ChatGPT works. So ChatGPT is an AI model or AI chatbot does not think like humans but respond instantly using trained data. It can generate or the by use of the ChatGPT, we can generate stories, jokes, social media content, images, and reports, etc. It can help and simply when simplify the mathematics solutions, mathematical problems or mathematical formulas. Uh, Also, it help ChatGPT help using in the financial growth. User can ask ChatGPT how can earn more money and increase their income. So after that, he told that you have to use the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that how can I earn 1 lakh per month. It will provide in detailed knowledge. If the response is unclear, if you are thinking that ChatGPT is not giving you a response very good according to you, then refine the question by specifying background and skill set. It means you have to tell the GPT, ask ChatGPT about yourself that what is your skill set, what you have done in your life, and what you have completed or what you all skills. So after that, he will give you all things according to you. uh, After Such told us about the how ChatGPT will help you in freelancing and digital skills. So ChatGPT suggests freelancing opportunity even for beginners. It can guide user to learning skills like writing, designing, coding, marketing, automation, or it can be your teacher, it can be tutor for you who will teach you many skills that also I can say that no one can teach you more better than ChatGPT or the any AI model. He also told us that daily usage of the maximum benefits of the ChatGPT. Rehan sir advising that using of the ChatGPT at least 5 minutes or the 5 times day for problem solving and learning. And what it means that you have to use ChatGPT at least 5 to 10 times in a day and asking questions regarding the problem solving, what you have problem in your life, and getting chit chat with the ChatGPT. It will respond you as much as according to you. Users should treat it as a assistance and not be afraid to not to be afraid from anything what you are asking from ChatGPT. So building a community for learning lost and other things, learning in groups enhancing understands and motivations. Users should focus on goals, practicing using ChatGPT regularly to master earning techniques. It means if you will ask questions or if you will use ChatGPT according to your daily base, and your data will it train according to you, ChatGPT according to you, and it will you will get a better response from it. So sir in last sir said that he developed many models of the ChatGPT which will help in the different fields. Like he developed an metric examination AI which will help in the exams. His jobs AI, Rehan jobs AI, Rehan's health AI, Rehan jobs AI. It will help you to find the remote jobs, especially it made for remote jobs. And Rehan health AI. Uh, h- it will help in doctors or nursing staffs or other what you should use. You can work on the Rehan Health AI, because when you put your 4 to 5 pictures, 4 pictures at a time of your reports or any other sign and symptoms you have, so it will diagnose your disease. And after that you can be treated by best way or the best doctor. So he made an other GPTs which work in the different fields. I'm according to me, I'm fully satisfied by him that he work on the AI, and also teaching the different peoples and from the who are beginner or the high level. So his focus is mainly on to learn the AI, because AI will help you in future. Today's AI is growing in present. So that's all about my review about this special topic by my mentor, Mr. Rehan Allahwala. So if you want to watch the whole video, I will provide the link in my Facebook description, so you can click over it, and you can click on it and watch the full video on the YouTube. Thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy my special uh, talk and review about this topic. Thank you so much.